Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we discuss about the search for a genetic material. अभी हम जानते हैं कि DNA as a genetic material and RNA in also in viruses. The geneticists knew that the responsible material for that hereditary information, they must contain three key characteristics. First, they must contain in a stable form. For the information about organism cell structure, function, development and reproduction. Second one, they must replicate accurately. So progeny cell have the same genetic information as the parental cell. And third one, they must capable of a change. Without change, organisms are incapable for variation, adaptation and evolution could not occur. In 1869, the Swiss biochemist Friedrich Mister is credited for the discovery of nucleic acid. First, he found that substance in white blood cell of a pus in used bandages during the Crimean War. First, he believed that substance is a protein. But according to the chemical test, that substance contains carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and phosphorus. Which the last of which not non-component for the protein. So ये assumption यहाँ से wrong साबित होता है. He searching that substance in other sources. He found that substance in the nucleus of the all samples he studied. So he called that substance a nuclein. At the time, the structure of and function of that nuclein is unknown and location in the cell is also unknown. In early 90s, experiment shows that the thread-like structure of the chromosome are a carrier molecule of a hereditary information. Okay. Over the next 40 years, chemical experiment revealed that the chromosome composed of protein and nucleic acid. That chromosome composed of protein and nucleic acid. Which were this time to known to include DNA and RNA also. At first, the scientists believed that the protein in a chromosome is as a genetic material. They reasoned that protein have a great capacity for storing information because of protein composed of 20 different amino acids. Okay. At the time, 20 amino acids are identified. 21st amino acid was identified in 1970s and 72nd amino acid identified in 2002. By contrast, the DNA with 4 nucleotides is thought to be a simple molecule to account for variation found in the living organisms. In beginning, late 1920s, the series of experiments led to the definitive identification of DNA as a genetic material. For the identification DNA as a genetic material, उसके लिए बहुत सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट हुए थे, जैसे कि डिल्विच ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एक्सपेरिमेंट, एवरेज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एक्सपेरिमेंट, हार्शी एंड चेसिस बैक्टीरियोफाज एक्सपेरिमेंट, जो हम हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे। जो ये फिर से हम रिकैप कर लेते हैं कि सर्च फॉर अ जेनेटिक मटेरियल, जेनेटिक्स न्यू दैट द जेनेटिक मटेरियल दैट कंटेन 3 मस्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, फर्स्ट इन अ स्टेबल फॉर्म, सेकंड रेप्लिकेट एक्यूरेटली, थर्ड वन इज मस्ट कैपेबल ऑफ अ चेंज। न्यूक्लिक एसिड वो फ्रेडरिक निश्चय ने डिस्कवर किया था in 1869. First he believed that the substance is a protein, but according to the chemical test, the substance contained carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and phosphorus. This last was not known to component for the protein. जो ये सब्सटेंस है उन्होंने दूसरे सोर्सेज में भी फाइंडिंग और सर्चिंग करने के लिए टेस्ट किया था। उन्होंने ये सब्सटेंस इन न्यूक्लियस में पाया और सारे सोर्सेज में, सो उन्होंने इस सब्सटेंस को न्यूक्लियन, वी कॉल्ड दैट सब्सटेंस अ न्यूक्लियन। In early 90s, experiment shows that the chromosome, the thread-like structure, they are the carrier of hereditary information. In over next 40 years, the experiment revealed that the chromosome composed of protein and nucleic acid. First, scientists believe that the protein in the chromosome is a genetic material because of the protein have a great capacity for the storing information because of that composed of 20 different amino acids. In beginning late 1920s, a set of experiment led to the definitive identification DNA as a genetic material. उसके लिए बहुत सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट हुए थे जो हम हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे। आई होप यू लाइक माय